Welcome to Senior Balance Society. Today we're going to focus on some beginner balance exercises. So for those who maybe want to start balancing but don't know where to begin, or they're a little bit unsure and intimidated by performing some balancing because it can be a little bit risky, today we're going to go over some beginner moves that will introduce you to some balancing concepts, but also make sure that you feel confident in moving forward, okay? So let's go ahead and start. Again, actually, before we start, make sure your area is clear. Make sure you have on shoes, not flip-flops or sandals. And make sure you have your balancing aid here, a chair. Make sure that it's not on a slippery surface, okay? Let's start by standing next to your chair. And I want you to watch me first on this one. We're gonna go 3 knee tucks in a row. And on the third one, we're gonna hold for 3 seconds, okay? Follow me, here we go, ready? We go 1, 2, hold, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3, hold, go. 1, 2, 3, we hold, go. 1, 2, 3, hold, resume. 1, 2, 3. Good. 1, 2, 3, we hold, go. 1, 2, 3, and relax. Good job, very good. Again, holding is very important. Those isometric holds where we go from dynamic to a static hold is very important when it comes to your body learning how to stabilize off of dynamic movements. But let's go ahead and let's crank it up just a little bit now that we're warmed up. On this next one here, we're gonna go with our right leg, and let's go right hand first. You can start with them at chest height and watch what happens with the right arm and the right foot. I'm gonna reach forward as I step forward, and I'm still gonna reach forward as I step backwards. Forward with the step and a reach, backwards with the step and reach. Forward step and reach, backward step and reach. Go ahead and go at your own rhythm. Each time we step, we reach forward, step forward with a reach, and back with a reach. Good, keep going. Step and reach, back and reach. Let's go one more time forward and one more time backwards. Good, and relax. Very good. Again, your chair can be here the whole time. You're gonna see me moving mine around. All you have to do is get on the other side of your chair for this one, okay? Let's go ahead now and let's go with a left hand reach with left foot. As I step forward and backwards, should be a reach each time. This is a movement that you do every day, whether you realize it or not. When you're reaching for a door handle, you might be pulling backwards with a door, or you might be stepping forward as you reach for the door, okay? At your own tempo, as fast or as slow as you need to go. Keep your steps going forward and backwards. Let's go one more time forward, one more time backwards. Good. And relax. Very good. Again, that's an everyday movement, and we just added another level to that, okay? So now let's go ahead and adjust now on this one. Your chair can be in front of you the whole time. You're gonna see my chair on the side of me, just so you have a good view of my body. On this one here, watch what happens here, okay? I'm gonna start with my right foot, and I'm gonna step to the right. And then when I come back, put the foot down, then I up on the toes and I reach. Watch me again. Step out, come back, toes and reach. Out, and then up and reach. Use that chair to help you reach high. Only go up as high as you're comfortable with. Good. Let's go out and then up. Good. Keep going. Good. One more. Good. And relax. All you have to do is walk to the other side of your chair. For the camera purpose, I'm just gonna move mine over here, and I'm gonna go to the left and then up with my left hand. I step to the left. I come up onto the toes and reach with the left. Good. Again, you can always keep that hand on the chair. It can be on the side of you, or your chair can be right here in front of you, just like this, but keep going. Good, last one. Here we go, one more. And reach, good. And relax, very good. You're almost done with some of these beginner moves. You're doing excellent. I think from the start of the routine to now we're getting towards the end, you should feel a little bit more comfortable even if you are a beginner, okay? So let's go ahead now, and I'm gonna move my chair back over here. Watch what happens now. I'm gonna go towards my right, okay? As I go towards my right, now I'm going to reach above the head at the same time as my step. Here and back. Good. As I reach up, I should be taking a step laterally. Notice it's my right hand and my right foot. We're working the same side here. Step up, or I'm sorry, reach up as you step out. Good, two more. 1, 2, good. Go ahead and walk to the other side of your chair. I'm just gonna slide mine over here. Let's go towards the left now. Okay, here we go. Ready? Reach as you step out. Same time, the arm and the leg are moving at the same time. You have to get used to that because when you walk, your arms and your legs are moving at the same time when you walk as well. Have to be able to balance on the go. We can't just be balancing standing still. We have to be able to balance while we're moving. Left arm and left leg. Left arm's reaching as the left leg takes a toe tap to the outside. You're almost done. We just have 2 more. 1 and 2. Good. Now let's combine shifting that, okay? Same movement, but now we're going to alternate on each one. So all that's gonna happen, same exercise you just did, but now I step to the right and reach, and then I step to the left and reach. I'm gonna alternate now. So now we go ahead and alternate on each side. I'm gonna go right arm, right leg here, left arm, left leg here. Good. Now we're just combining them and doing a little bit more of a dynamic movement by alternating sides. Good job. Almost done. 2 more. Here we go. Ready? 1 and 2. Very, very good. And relax. So those are just a few beginner movements. Again, sometimes starting exercise, especially balancing exercises, can be a little bit intimidating. Hopefully now you feel like you kind of got some confidence in yourself with those moves. Stay tuned and stay subscribed because we will be building on this, okay? So I will see you again this week. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time. Balance is something that can deteriorate quickly if you don't remain consistent. Let's not let that happen. Come join the Senior Balance Society today. You can even start a 7-day risk-free trial of a membership. This membership includes 2 new balance videos every single week that feature my reactive flow training. This is a method that I only teach to my members. Go to seniorbalancesociety.com today where we have exclusive 6-week self-paced programs. Come find out more at seniorbalancesociety.com.